Meet Alex. He owns Smart Tech, a super cool store that sells all sorts of technology. Alex pays for things using cash or EFT, but each time he makes a payment, it changes something in his business books. Let's find out what happens in his accounting equation. The accounting equation is a simple but powerful formula. It looks like this. Assets equals owner's equity plus liabilities. Assets are things the business owns, like money or equipment. Owner's equity is the value the owner has in the business, and liabilities are debts or money the business still owes. Every time a payment is made, this equation has to stay in balance. Let's say Alex buys a display monitor for 5,000 Rand using EFT. The money comes out of his bank account. That means his bank goes down. But now he owns a new monitor, that is equipment, another asset. So one asset goes down and another goes up. There's no effect on owner's equity or liabilities. The accounting equation still balances. Next, Alex pays 600 Rand for electricity. This is a monthly business expense. The payment comes from the bank, so his bank goes down. Because it's an expense, his owner's equity also goes down. Expenses reduce the business's value. But even though two parts changed, the accounting equation still balances. Now Alex buys 300 Rands worth of stationery. Again, he pays using EFT, so his bank goes down. And because it's a business expense, his owner's equity also goes down. Remember, expenses don't bring anything new into the business, they just help it run. The equation stays balanced. Let's go over what we've seen. When Alex buys an asset, like equipment, one asset decreases and another one increases. When he pays for expenses like electricity, stationery, or wages, both the bank and owner's equity decrease. In all cases, the accounting equation remains balanced. That's why every rand in business must be tracked.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.